Alright, so this is the first time I got my first 3D printer set up. It's the Tevo Tornado. I'm making the spool stand that it came with on the SD card. I didn't have to write any of the code or make the model or anything. It was already there. I just been printing it first time, making sure everything runs right. I got it assembled last week, and today I got the bed leveled and figured out how to work the interface a little bit more. Got the filament loaded up, and so now it's running. It's been going for probably half an hour now, so not super quick, but I wanted a quality part, so I had it on some of the slower settings. Anyway, so and then there's my spools. All the smaller spools are ABS, and the bigger spools are PLA. And I've got a variety of colors, so as you can see. And I don't know if you can tell because it's kind of dark, but that spool is slowly moving. That's the one that's engaged in the printer right now. I have the filament fed through the table. There, I drilled a hole through the bottom of the table. They're all on a spool, so they can all rotate freely. You can see it can spin. And then it just pops up through the table right there and feeds into the machine. And it hasn't been causing any issues, so yeah, the setup seems to be working pretty good so far. So that's it for now.